today we will move forward to the lymph node structure. Lymph node structure. Okay, so as you guys all know, lymph nodes are basically present in the ducts, and if we talk about the size, so they are basically 1 inch. If we talk about the millimeter or centimeter, so they are 1.1 to 2.25 millimeter. As you guys all know, lymph nodes are basically work in the defense mechanism. They are being like structure, and they basically their function is to purify the lymph. Okay, for the help of the structure, you will easily understand that what the thing I'm talking about. Okay, so if we talk about this, let me make first of all. This is the hilus. Okay, and if we talk about this, so this is the trabecula, which is the ducts. This is the duct. Okay, if we talk about this, so this is the subcapsular sinuses, which means that these are the lymph nodes. Okay, so they are having a specific name. Okay, if we talk about this, this is a fibrous capsule. This is basically this is work for the production of the lymph node. Okay, if you talk about this circle one, so this is the germinal center of follicle. What does it mean? It means that they are present in the cortex. Okay, and they are basically the first of all, before that germinal center follicle, we are having the primary follicle. What is primary follicle? Primary follicle are basically in this the inactive B lymphocyte are there. Okay, and after that we are having the secondary one. What is secondary? In secondary we are having the pathogen basically active this B lymphocyte, and this B lymphocyte become the active. Okay, after that we are having the germinal center of the follicle, and this is, if we talk about, this is the afferent vessel, which through which basically the lymph basically move forward, and this is the hilus through, and this is the efferent where the lymph basically move further. You can say that further into the ducts for you can say that for the filtration, and these not filtration basically occur in the lymph node. Okay, so I want to tell you guys is that in subcapsule sinuses, the lymphocytes are basically present. Okay, so if we talk about the afferent, so afferent is basically the part where the lymph basically move. Okay, and that will move toward the lymph nodes, and lymph nodes are basically capable for filtration of the lymph. If there any pathogen is there in the lymph, they will kill. Okay, if we talk about the trabecula, so trabecula has having more lymphocytes. Trabecula is having the more lymphocyte, which basically filter the lymph, or you can say that the screening occur. What is screening? Screening is basically any foreign particle is there, like cancer cells are there. Okay, so these basically kill that all the cells with the help of the lymphocytes. Okay, so lymph, after that will move toward the trabecula, which are the ducts which will filter, and pure lymph will get out by the hilus and from the efferent lymphatic vessel. Okay, that will move toward the duct and the precaval for the main circulation, as you guys all know. Okay, so if there is checkpoint is not there, so the with the help of the pathogen, okay, with the help of the pathogen, the inflammation will occur. Okay, so that will like our body will get like inflammation too much, so the filtration of the pathogen, bacteria, fungi, any virus, any particle is basically important. So through with the lymph nodes, the lymph basically get the filter out, and through the lymph nodes are having the lymphocytes. So lymphocytes basically kill all those pathogens which are present in the lymph, and lymph basically move from the afferent to the efferent. Okay, and these are the lymph nodes. So this was about the structure of the lymph nodes. In the previous video we have already discussed about the introduction of the lymph nodes in very detail with the help of the MCQs too. and about we have also discussed the MCQs of the lymphocytes and these all production and the maturation.